What's up, good people? This is an easy cough medicine remedy that's been passed down for generations and generations. All you need is a few ingredients, manuka honey or raw honey, onions, lemon, garlic, and some ginger. You're going to chop everything up and you're just going to layer it. And each layer, add some honey. Each layer, add some honey. And that's it. Let it ferment on the counter for a few days. You can, if you need it right away, give it a couple of hours and then strain you a teaspoon across the top if you need it right away. But if not, let it sit on the counter for a few days and then you're going to let it ferment. And so strain it and then bottle it up. Store it in the refrigerator. It can last for almost a year. All right, there's your quick DIY cough medicine. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye for now.